Today's cybersecurity control is ISM 1997, and it's a big one. It says your board of directors or executive committee must define clear roles and responsibilities for cybersecurity. In plain English, everyone at the top needs to know exactly who does what in your cyber defense playbook. Let me give you a car metaphor. Imagine a pit stop in a Formula One race. If nobody knows who's changing the tyres, who's refueling, or who's wiping the visor, you're not winning any races. You're crashing. Cybersecurity works the same way. If your board hasn't clearly defined roles, especially their own, you're headed for confusion when an incident hits. I've assessed organizations where policies existed, but no one actually owned critical responsibilities like MFA, patching, or reporting. That's not secure. That's a false sense of control. So here's your move. Ask your board, have we defined and documented cybersecurity roles at the top? If the answer is no, you're not meeting ISM 1997.